Hey everyone, welcome back to D.Py. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create your own custom data chat GPT, especially when you have small amount of data that can be entered within a single prompt. Previously, we added short-term memory to this chatbot. Now, if I ask what are some main events in 2023, do you know? Let's see how it responds. So as you can see, it is saying as an AI, I don't have real-time actual current events or anything. So basically, it does not have the information about what happens in 2023. Be specific to 2023 only. As you can see, I apologize for my confusion. Since I don't have real-time information, I cannot provide specific events that will occur in 2023. So we are going to feed our own data and make it work so that it can answer from the data we provide. Here I have this text file called events2023.txt. It has some information about scientific events that happened in February 2023, and we are going to feed this to this chatbot. It is only 26 lines of text, so it's a small amount of data. First of all, I'm going to app.py file in the backend. Here I am going to define a variable called context, and right now it is empty. I will pass this variable over here to this getResponse function, and in getResponse function I will also add an extra parameter called context. Here, as you can see, the system prompt, I am going to write please answer user's question according to given data /n data dot format context. So I have said you are a helpful assistant. Please answer user question according to given data. And here I have passed this context over here. So let's save this function. Now, as we know, this context is right now empty. So we have to get our customized data inside this variable. So I will go to my chatbasics.py file and define another function called getContext. And this function will open events2023.txt file. It will be read-only as file content equals file.read, and finally it will return the content. So this function will read this file called event.txt and get us all this text. Now I'll go back to app.py file and replace this empty string with the function called getContext. We already defined what this function do. Now if I save this and go back to the chat, I will copy this same question, no changes at all. I'm going to refresh this page and ask the same question once again. Let's see how it responds. So as you can see, yes, I have information on some interesting scientific events that occurred in 2023. Here are few, and it is giving me information about the events which I provided as a data. So as you can see, we build this custom data chat GPT, especially when you have small amount of data. Let's suppose you have multiple documents or a single large document. In that case, you cannot just follow this same technique. You have to use embeddings for that, and in the next video I'm going to cover that too. So make sure to hit the subscribe button and do not miss the next video, guys. Thank you so much for watching.